Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2013 Mathematics Past Question 24. In the diagram above, find the value of x. So we are asked to find the value of x in the diagram above. Now the option says A 45, B 15, C 30, and D 40 degree. Now this is x. We are asked to find the value of x. Now let's name this angle Z. Now you see that angle Z plus 150 degree, here is 150 degree, plus 150 degree is equal to 180 degree. That's because they are angle on a straight line. That means Z is equals to 180 minus 150, which is equals to 30 degree. That means this angle Z is 30 degree. Now angle X plus 110 degree plus Z, which is 30 degree, is equals to 180. That's because angle of a what? Sum of angle in a triangle. So we can now say that X is equals to 180 minus 140, which is 110 plus 130 plus 30 give us 140. So X is equals to 180 minus 140, and this is equals to 40 degree. So the value of X is 40 degree, which is option D. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos in past questions.